In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make NVIDIA GeForce Experience record Discord audio. First things first, let's head over to our Discord, navigate through the user settings, and then click voice and video. In here, you want to make sure that you have selected the right microphone and right speaker, and then you can just turn your volume above to whatever you want to. From there, let's then head over to our control panel. So simply search for sound settings on your Windows logo. In here, click on the sound control panel. And basically, you want to do the same thing where you want to find the playback sound. In my case, it's going to be the main speaker. Click on the set default option, and you can do the same thing for the recording, which in my case, it's going to be set to voice meter. From there, you then want to head over to your NVIDIA application. So in my case, I'm using the newest version of NVIDIA. So I'll just press Alt-Z on my keyboard and this will show up. If you're using the GeForce Experience, it will then show up above your screen. But you simply want to go ahead and locate the same setting. In here for microphone, you want to make sure that it is turned on. You want to navigate through the settings of NVIDIA. In here, click audio, and then you want to make sure that your volume is turned to 100. Same thing with your microphone, and then you have selected the right format right here, which in my case, once again, it's going to be from voice meter. From there, it will capture all of the system sounds. As you can see, you have to make sure that this is turned on. And then if you navigate through the audio itself or onto the video capture, you want to make sure that you have set this to the desktop capture. So from there, it will turn on to capture the entire desktop in the video, recordings, and screenshots. Just click on the instant replay on and off and making sure that it works properly. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.